Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain what I have learned for the Python ICP 7. So in this we have learned different types of text processing, unigram, tokenization, post tagging, lemmaization and normalization and etc. So we have like 4 questions. The first one is we have been given with an initial code. So in the initial part of the code, they have used Bayes uh, to find the score. So for that I have added svc for this. So if you can see, like, just I have changed it, instead of multinomial db I have kept it as svc, and I have found the score for that. And in the in the second part of the code, it was asked us to uh, do an bigram, like for 1 2. So for that, for bigrams I have declared the n-gram range of 1 comma 2, so that it will be bigram. And for that I have uh, got multinomial nb score also. So, and in the third part of the program, I have been asked to stop words, like stop set argument stop words equals to English and check the accuracy changes. So for that I have given the keyword like stop words equals to English, and I have found the multinomial NB using this stopword and diagram. So if you can see, this is the output for that. In the first case, we got accuracy score as 0.7. When we are using SVC, it was 0.8, so it's quite high. Preferable to use SVC. And for the third and the fourth case, I have used multinomial NB to find the accuracy. And this is for the first part. And coming to the second part, I have been given an URL, and I need to get data. And here we are going to get those Wikipedia's page data, and we'll be saving it into input.txt file, and we'll be doing certain operations on that. So for that, this is the task 2. So for that I have taken that URL into this, and using Beautiful Soup, I have uh, read everything into this input file. So I'm running this, and this input file, I have used UTF for encoding. So if you can see, this is the input file. This is the file which we have got from the site. And the first thing, and next, I have opened those input file, and I have taken all the text present into this text field, and I have used the print option for that. And the first I need to do a tokenization. So tokenization I have done it 2 ways, like word tokenize and sentence tokenize. So I have printed those 2 things. And after that I was asked to do an parts of speech for this. I mean, to recognize each words which parts of speech it belongs to. So for that I have taken the output from the word tokenized. This is that. And after that I was asked to do the stemming. So we have got 3 types of stemming. So I have taken the 3 types: snowball, porter and lancaster. And and also lemmatization I have done for same for the lemmatization. And in the fifth part I have been asked to find the trigrams of this tokenized data. So I have directly used the keyword trigrams, which will be automatically, previously in the last one we used ng tag. So ng tag 1 comma 2. So here it will be directly, if you write trigrams it will be 3. And I have printed this. And at the last I was asked to find the named entity recognition. So for that I have used this.